Hi everyone. Are you not able to clear your ACCA examination even after putting in your best efforts? Then this video is definitely for you. I have compiled all my students' experience, student reason of failure in this video, and I've highlighted why most of the students are not able to clear ACCA examination in their very first attempt or even ACCA examination in their next few attempts. This video specially focuses on Indian students, but yes, it also covers common mistakes made by students overall. So please stay tuned till the end to make the most out of this video. I am Megha Bhansali, ACCA and the Indian Qualified Chartered Accountant. I am also a ACCA tutor. First and foremost, our Indian way of studying is very different. We have been doing the mugging up kind of a system until our schools or in our college, and the questions that we have been asked is generally very generic. For a simple example, in a BCom examination or in a 12th standard examination, you'd be directly given what are the five forces of Porter's model, what is pestle model, please explain each of the factors. Directly it will be asked. But in ACCA, that's not the case. It is very application-based kind of an examination, wherein you will be asked to apply Porter's 5 force or a pestle model into a scenario and do an analysis. So the way of examination is drastically different from a direct-based to a very case study-based or an application-based. So this is something that we have to learn, how to apply concepts in relevant scenarios. So that's one of the major reasons why where students lack or are they not able to cope up. Second one being a very common problem with Indians, English. Yes, I know from we are very young, we have been told talk in English, speak in English, and English is very important. But still, somewhere or the other, we kind of lack in our communication skills in terms of English, because writing English is slightly different than what we speak. So we have to also focus on the written English language, which is quite important. A small tip would be, like I think what all of us have already been listening to, read a lot of newspaper. I would not recommend movies because it is spoken English. We need to focus more on the written aspect of the language. Third challenging factor is basically moving from a pen paper examination to a computer based examination. We are very comfortable with a pen paper examination, having our calculators, but ACCA examination is quite different. It is on computer, so we need to familiarize ourselves with Word, Excel, and also master our typing speed. So that is also very important, being very comfortable with the computer and working on your typing speed. Very, very important, because a lot of students, a lot of times could only attempt 80-85% of the paper, and then they get stuck somewhere in 45. So had they attempted the extra 15 marks, they could have passed the examination. So time management, working on a computer is very, very essential. Next is, if you have got certain exemption. The reason ACCA gives exemption is assuming that you've studied these concepts earlier in your graduation or whatever educational background you have. However, if you are not thorough with those concepts, please read those concepts again, because they are used repetitively. Like FA is moved on to FR and then moved to SBR. So if you have not done your FA well, or if you are not thorough with those basic concepts in the paper which you got exemption, your next few papers are going to be very difficult. So it's my suggestion that even if you've got the exemption, please go study these subjects well, at least have a fair idea on what topics are there and how to go about it. These are the most common mistakes that I see students make in terms of their preparation or at the time of their examination, because of which they are not able to clear their examination. Other than this, most common mistakes that students make is basically not practicing enough questions, not planning their exam well, not having concept clarity. These are common mistakes that students tend to make. Other than these focused mistakes which tend to be more in Indian students. So I hope you find this video very useful. In case you are getting stuck in your ACCA journey or preparing for any examination, you can definitely reach out to us and we'll be very happy to help you. And guys, please do subscribe, like, and share this video with people who need it. And comment below if you have any other observations or you want us to make any video on any specific topic. We'll be back with more such content. Till then, take care. See you all.